guys, sorry I couldn't do a live video today. As some of you guys are watching this video, I may be driving by your house, dropping off your belt, your pad, and your board for your board testing today. Anyways, I want to get right into it. We're going to practice some techniques today. Very simple technique that you guys already know how to do. I just really want you guys to take the time to focus and work on them hard today. I mean, really want you guys to work on these moves today. Simple moves that you know how to do. It doesn't matter if you're a white belt or black belt, these are the things I want you to do. Take about 15 to 20 minutes to really focus on your technique. If you focus on your technique and your power, you'll be a lot better for your tests, getting a lot higher scores, and it'll be awesome. You'll be a great black belt. So, first thing first, you guys already know sitting stance punches. Sitting stance punch is very simple. First thing, make your sitting stance. It's not toes out, make sure your toes are pointing in, bending the knee, back, shoulders straight, everything facing the front. Alright, we got one hand up in the middle. Notice that I have one hand, it's in the middle of my body and it's not straight with my shoulder. Alright, because we're not punching out and you'll lose power here. Everything goes to the center of your body. So from here, I'm going to rotate my body. As I rotate my body, I'm actually going to come up off my heel. So my toes stay on the ground. I'm going to see if I can see this way. My toes stay on the ground, but I come up off my heel. So from here, I'm going to rotate my body. As I'm rotating, I come up off my heel, and then I'm going to accelerate as fast as I can, punch two. Watch one more time. I'm going to come up. I'm going to drive back and punch two. One more time. I'm going to come up. I'm going to drive back and two. Alright, so I want you guys to really work on coming up and off your heel, turning your body weight, and driving the punch, and make sure the punch is centered with your body. So I'm going to come up, turn my body, and drive that punch as fast as I can. Come up, turn my body, drive as fast as I can. I want you guys to work on that. Spend about 10 to 15 punches. And I want you guys to hit it hard. How hard can you hit those punches? Alright, second thing, walking stances. I know all of you guys I already know what a walking stance is. Yes, you guys know what a walking stance is. But a lot of you guys are still messing up in the walking stances. They're getting in the habit of having your back foot put into the side rather than to the front. So this is what I mean. Walking stance, some of you guys, if you look at my right foot, my toes are pointing that way. That's not a good walking stance, because then when I punch, it's hard for me to rotate my body and get full hip rotation, which gives me more power. So I need to make sure my toes are pointing to the front, all 10 of them, right? Not here, not here. Everything pointing to the front. And make sure your body's square, shoulders up, hand on your belt, and then when you do the low block, it doesn't matter what block you do actually, my body will always face the front. So from here, when we do the low block, I do not want you to move your foot. I want you to keep your foot still. I want you to turn your body and rotate. And just like when we did with the punches, you kind of come up a little bit, you're going to do the same thing. I'm coming up off this heel so I can bring my body weight into the move fast as I can. All my toes should be pointing to the front knee bent, front knee straight. One more time. Also, your reaches, guys, you got to work on your reaches. The right hand should be facing the outside, the blocking hand should be on the inside. If I'm the other way, my left hand should be facing the outside. My left hand, my right hand on the inside, over here, right hand on the outside, left hand on the inside if I'm doing low block with my left hand. So one more time, I'll rotate my body, I'm off my heels a little bit, got my hip turned, and drive that low block. Drive that low block. Alright, next one and the last one. I'm only going to give you 3 moves. And I know it's only 3 moves, but I want you to take 15 to 20 minutes. Anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. If you can do 10 to 20 minutes on these 3 moves, you're going to get a lot better. The third one, L stances. A lot of you guys are still getting a little bit confused on the L stances. So with some of you guys, the L stance, either your body weight shifting all the way forward or shifting all the way backward. All of your stances, unless I say so, all of your stances, even your bend and ready stance, half block, you have a bend and ready stance right here. Right here, this is your bend and ready stance. All of your stances are even. And what I mean by that is, my body weight is even. So if I do a sitting stance, my body weight's in the middle. If I do a walking stance, even though it's a front knee bend, back knee straight, my body weight's in the middle. When I do L stance, front knee bend, front foot pointing this way, left foot pointing this way, both knees bend, my body weight is in the middle. It's never going forward or going backward. Because if somebody hits me, I can be knocked off balance. Leg strike, if you're a leg striker, you have the rear foot stance, right? 1 and 2. Even though this is a weird stance, it is still even. So all of your stances, unless I say otherwise, should be right in the middle. The body weight should be in the middle. So when you do the L stances, make sure the body weight shift in the middle. Alright? Don't shift to one side and shift to the other side. So when you do L stance, facing the camera, your front foot should be facing the camera, your back foot should be facing this way, which makes an L, right? So you're making an L stance here, this is an L stance. Both knees bend. Don't lean forward and don't lean backwards. So from here we're going to do a block, right? So we're going to bring both hands out. We're going to block with your left hand. That means your left hand is on the outside. It's an outside reach. So from here, left hand is on the outside. And we're going to rotate your body and hit the move. We'll rotate the body. You can come up off the heel here. Rotate the move. But notice that everything is even. I turn, hit. Turn, hit. If you do about 15 to 20 punches, right? Just do 20. 10 with each hand. Take your time down. Don't go 1, 2, 3. No, take your time. Each time you do a move, look. Do I have my toes pointing to the front? Do I have my hands centered? Look at yourself in the camera. Is my hands centered to the middle of my body? Am I rotating my body? Do I have my heels off the ground? Am I going as fast as I can, accelerating as hard as I can on the punch? Coming up, turn, 2. If I take my time and do about 20 of those, 10 with each hand, that would give me about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay? Then your low block, same thing with your low block. Front knee bend, back knee straight, bend that knee, keep your body straight, both hands up, bring your right hand up here, your left hand goes down the inside, do a couple slow ones, make sure the low block, the fist is in the, where the belt knot is, should be right in the middle. I'm going to turn my body and try that low block hard as I can. Turn my body weight up off the ground, and rotate as hard as I can, and this is the low block. If you do 10 of those with each hand, taking your time, hitting and holding as strong as you can, accelerating your body, turning your hip, that should take you another 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Now that's 10, 12, 14 minutes that you put in, guys. And then the last one, side block, same thing. Make an L stance. So bend both of your knees, one foot pointing this way, the other foot pointing this way. This time your right hand will be on the inside, your blocking hand will be on the outside. You rotate your body and drive that side block. Do not lean forward, do not lean backwards. Keep your body weight centered. So that's what I want you all to work on today. Sitting stances, what's your punch? Walking stances, what's low block? L stances, what's side block? Work on those. Do 20 a pop. Don't be lazy. Don't speed through it. I really want you guys to get it down today because I want you guys to be great black belt. Not lazy black belt. I won't even let you get your black belt if you're lazy, first of all. So, if you guys want to be great black belts, really process this and really work on it. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I know some of you guys will be testing tomorrow. So because we do have belt testing tomorrow, no classes tomorrow, I will be sending you your one-on-one link. Others will be testing next week. Black belts will be testing in a couple of weeks. I really hope to see you guys super soon. I really miss each and every single one of y'all. And I can't wait to get back on the floor and train with you guys. Y'all have a great day. See y'all later.